when we set them up wrong, boys. Is there any way we can back the chairs off the court a little bit, maybe these boys some more room to play? I'll come over and help if you need it. Josiah, you can just move that whole bench by yourself. Thank you, guys.